Welcome to Tutikay Vlog. This is Mommy Cherry again. Bisaya number 10. We will learn more Bisaya. So number 1 Bisaya word is the female external reproductive organ. We call that in Bisaya bisung or balitang. The male external reproductive organ, we call that utin or lagay. And then we have saliva, the saliva inside your mouth that helps your food digestion. Saliva is laway or laway. And then you have dugo, that's your blood or dugo. And then when you have a cold, that's your sip-on, the one that comes out from your nose. Sip-on, that's your cold. And then when you cough, when you have a cough, you have ubo or cough. That's all for today. Follow for more. Bye.